Oh, we're still the young guys. You know, I still feel like, I still feel like I'm proving myself in Baja. You know, I've had good races, but I've also had, some mistakes down here. So, I'm by no means anything other than a kid, on the bike right now.
Baja racing is overcoming obstacles, and that might be fog, booby traps, local traffic, spectators, jumps, not just like the natural terrain, whoop-de-doos, rocks, and stuff like that, but you also have all these uncontrolled forces, which is totally different than any other type of racing in the world.
About 6 weeks ago, I had a little accident at another race I was competing in and broke my right humerus. So currently I'm just healing from that with all the plates and stuff in the arm, and actually just got released to start riding, but I'm not ready to do any major competition, so we just thought it'd be best that I sit out this time and just come back 100% for the Baja 500.
I've been down here for a few years, but Steve and Johnny, those guys have been doing this forever. They've built up a name, and, they're the guys. We're just out here having a good time, doing what we love. This is what I love to do, and it's just awesome to be a part of it.